Guys, so I got gifted this expandable pots and pans organizer. So I'm going to open it and then I'm going to reorganize my cabinet with all my pots and pans. This is going to be so useful. Let's see how it works. Alright, so we have all the pieces out here. Let's go through what all the pieces are. So we have a large and a small frame right here. The material is sort of like a steel metal. So it's not going to have like rust or corrosion or anything like that. And then we have all the brackets. So these brackets are going to be installed in here so that you can separate all of your pots and pans. And then these little pieces, if you can see here, are anti-skid pads. So that once you have these brackets on, it's not going to start to skid or anything like that, so it is protected. So installing this, you don't need any tools. It comes with everything that you need. It's just putting it together. These brackets, there are 10 different brackets, and the material that it's made out of is actually not steel. I don't think I could show you on the camera, but it's one of those like hard plastics, rubbery material, so it's like protected, so it's not going to scratch your pots, pans, or lids or anything like that. I don't know if you could see that, like right on top here is a different material than down here. So down here is where the metal and steel is, but up here has a protective area so that when your glass lids are on it, it's not going to scratch. So these two are adjustable, so you can adjust it to whatever length you want, either this length or all the way out. So it's totally up to you. All these little holes right here are where you're going to be able to set it up. So it is really adjustable to whatever length you need in your cabinet. Okay, so to put on these anti-skid brackets, you actually just need to squeeze a little bit and it's actually going to open so that it can go around this frame right here. So it's going to look just like this. So this part is going to be on the ground, so it's not going to skid, as you can see, just like that. Right, so I've used 6 of these anti-skid pads, 2 in the middle and and 2 on each end, so that once it's down and it's rolling in and out, it's not going to skid or scratch your cabinets. Alright, so I've inserted mine just like that. Now, in case you're wondering, in order to insert it, this is how it's going to look. You're just going to gently squeeze while you're putting it into each of the little slits that it has, and it's going to stay in there, right in there. So I put the first one in. This is the correct size. So what I'm going to do is just put a pot and put these brackets wherever I think it needs to go, and then I will extend this as I go along. Alright, so this is how I organize your pots. I'm actually not a fan of it for the lid, just because of probably maybe how my lids are. Maybe you might find it a little better, but I actually love how it organizes the pots. It does fit any size, just because you can put these brackets at any point in time, any place that you want, once you line it up with this grid. What I would also recommend is the second part where you get to pull it out, which is right here. Make sure that you put a bracket there just so that you secure the back, so it doesn't try to be top heavy or anything like that. But this is how it is. This is your organizer.